Lady, you alright? You sure you're not hurt anyway?
Look at my car!
Look at this. It's a fucking mess.
Does anybody have a working phone?
It doesn't matter. There's no signal.
How the hell are we gonna get out of here?
I'm with you. Relax.
It's nothing, just a little glass in it.
Stay in this fucking face, man. Look the window.
You're lucky.
Just take it easy.
So damn lucky, man.
I gotta take a piss.
Dude, come on, man. Move on. You're not even together anymore.
Hold on. It's a freaking welcome tour.
Jesus Christ! No! Motherfucker! Fuck! What is it?
I didn't see him. Did you guys see him?
Check his pulse! How do I do it? Oh, fuck! Oh, come on! He bled in my mouth! Fuck! Oh my god, what? Fuck! How badly is he hurt?
Help him!
He's in a fucking hospital gown!
Mom, down!
Grab anything!
You have to help him, Bobby. Help me, please. You gotta do something.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me! Hey, over here! Over here! Oh, here! Yeah, hey! Come on. There's some guy came out.
Hey, over here, man. There's somebody on the ground.
He's wearing a hospital gown.
Tell me what happened?
The guy came from out of nowhere.
Is he gonna be okay?
On a three, baby. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! How's this guy doing out here?
He freaked out before surgery and ran. The drugs do that sometimes. We've been looking for this guy for hours.
Doctor's gonna be pissed, man.
I heard that. You know, you guys look pretty banged up, but you might need some medical attention.
What about the car?
Well, you know, I think the most important thing right now is your health. I mean, we can call a tow truck if we want. If you want to hop in. Just watch your step. That's it.
How are you,
Just
cowboy?
watch your step, buddy. There you go. Everything's gonna be okay.